What's up mga kabit? Kamusta kayo guys? Kung may extra time ka ngayon, ako, merong bagong lalabas na exchanger or trading platform na pwede nating i-consider. So, coming soon pa lang to, pero kung gusto mong silipin, sabayan mo ako. It's time for Plan B. Let's go! What's up mga kabit? So, ito na nga guys, ang pangalan ng exchange ay Steam Exchange. Welcome to your new home. So, I'm sure yung iba sa inyo gumagamit na ng mga leading platforms or trading platforms na kilalang kilala. Pero it's good din na meron tayong mga backup or meron tayong mga ibang ginagamit para syempre for security, for safety, and marami kang options. So, ito guys, lalabas pa lang to, no? Kung di ako nagkakamali, this 2021 lang siya. And gusto ko sana makita kung ano tong platform na to eh. Kasi malay nyo, di ba, baka maging Ala Binance din siya sa future or Ala Bybit or Bityard or kung ano-ano pa mga platforms dyan na kilala natin. So, ito, starting pa lang. And usually yung mga ganitong platform, syempre, kung ano yung mga sakit ng ibang platforms, ginagamot nila or syempre, kaya sila gumagawa ng platform pa for the better. Kasi bakit pa sila gagawa kung hindi naman siya mas okay pa dun sa ibang or existing platform. So, tingnan natin siya. I'm not saying na lumipat kayo dito, no? Silipin lang natin, i-review natin itong Steam Exchange. So, ito ay sa Canada, nakalagay on track to be Canada's first hybrid digital assets trading platform. Your one-stop shop for all things in crypto. So, ayan. So, silipin muna natin. Stage 2 completed, enhanced UI, UX, and mobile apps. So, meron na sila. So, pwede pala siya sa mobile apps din. So, partnered with University of Waterloo. And hindi rin biro pala, no? Kasi na-feature na sila sa Yahoo Finance, Canadian Insider, Street Insider, Stockhouse, CEOs, California, siguro tong CA na to. So, you can follow them to get more information, Twitter, Facebook, at kung ano-ano pa mga social media nila para maka-add din sa information. Kasi kung nakukulangan kayo dito, very possible na dito sa mga channels na to makapagtanong kayo and makapag-ask kayo kung okay ba talaga sila. So, as of now, meron silang 1.4 million users in Canada, have invested in crypto or actively trade crypto. Having access featured pack trading platform has been issued in Canada with major brands existing the market due to regulations. So, Steam Exchange is here to bridge the gap. Our goal is to build a robust platform with one goal in mind, provide Canadians with a place they can call home. So, syempre naman, hindi lang sa Canada yan, no? Syempre, magagamit din natin yan sa Philippines. Kaya siguro, very possible na nauna sila sa Canada and then, tayo na yung susunod na pwedeng gumamit at mag-benefit dito sa platform na to. But again, sa lahat ng traders, guys, trade at your own risk and wag kayong magpasok ng pera na hindi mo kayang mawawala. So, ayun na nga, Steam Exchange being developed nga sa Canada by, syempre, Canadian engineers. Partnered with Canadian universities, our platform is truly made in Canada. So, kaway-kaway sa ating mga kababayan dyan sa Canada. Hello, guys! So, as stated here, they have a strong tokenomics and smarter smart contracts. Designed with investors' visionary in mind, Steam Exchange token enables early adoption to our native coin on our very own blockchain. So, gaya ng Binance, meron BNB and kung ano-ano pa, like Huobi, meron silang HT token. So, of course, dito rin, magkakaroon din sila ng sariling token. So, nakalagay dito, Steam. So, ayan, nakalagay, Steam Exchange coming soon. Silipin natin kung nasa na sila. So, tingnan din natin kung nasa stage na ba sila, no, yung roadmap nila. So, okay na siguro sila. October 6, landing page development commences. So, sa landing page na. And then, sa October 6 din, community group expansion and language optimization. Sa 80 naman, which is malapit na, native coin blockchain planning commences. And sa October 18, DEX integration planning begins. Same with tokenomics integration. So, dito sa website nila guys sa steamexchange.ca, mababasa nyo yung core values nila. Pero tingnan natin guys, no? Ganito yan. Katulad sa Binance, diba si CZ ang nandun. Dito naman, meron silang core team, which is, meron din silang core team. Ayan, si Gary Bard ang CEO, si Neville Divetcha ba ang tawag dyan? So, si Neville, si Chris, and so si Gary Bard ang CEO, si Neville, si Chris ang co-founder, and of course, kasama din dyan, to be announced. You can also check them guys sa CoinGecko, BSC Scan, PancakeSwap, CoinMarketCap. So ayan, pwede nyo rin silang makontak dito So ito na yung tokenomics nila, no? 4% platform wallet, 3% marketing wallet, 2% reflected to holders, 4% added to liquidity pool. You can also contact them guys if you want pag meron kayong additional questions. So enough with the website, silipin naman natin tong white paper nila, no? So Steam Exchange is an upcoming centralized and decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. It was founded 2021. So sila yung mga may-aring binanggit natin kanina. All of the information guys ay nandito sa docs nila or dito sa white paper nila. Even the foundational guidelines are here. So bagong-bago to, no? Anyway, sinilip lang naman natin na merong lalabas na bagong exchange and maganda, inform ka din. Ang importante dito guys, inform ka na merong bagong exchanger na lalabas. Again, I'm not saying na subukan mo to. Ang importante lang guys ay alam mo na merong bagong lalabas na exchanger. And let us look at the price dito sa CoinGecko guys. Steam Exchange 003.003 ang presyo niya ngayon. And of course, pwede rin tong gawing investment para pagka fully operational na, tataas yung presyo nitong Steam Exchange as usual. Pero of course guys, again, huwag ka maglagay ng pera na masasaktan ka lang. Make sure na yung i-invest mo dito ay yung extra money mo lang. Para whatever happens, hindi ka apektado. Again guys, kung meron kang bagong natutunan at gusto mo yung video na to, please hit the like button and thank you so much for subscribing. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Guys, kung gusto nyo na lagi kayong updated about sa cryptocurrency, whether trading yan, NFT games, or platform, or kahit ano na related sa crypto, please hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated. Yun lang muna, and God bless you.